There is no way. Africa is one law. Africa is one law. There is no mistake. Africa is one law.
That's why you are useless like this. That's why you are useless like this.
Africa is one law.
That's why you are useless like this.
Don't hate your brother. Don't hate your brother.
All the fool like this. That's why you are useless.
We are stupid. You leave your country. You want to stay here for what?
You are useless like this.
But you don't know that. You know nothing. We are keep on saying we are clever. The only thing that you know is selling drugs. To selling drugs. We don't even. The first time, listen. The first time you come in, you even don't know that the food that we are eating, it can be expiring. We didn't know about expiring. We're just eating just like dogs. We're just eating just like dogs.
Ambani makwere kwere ambani maforena agivela la jive la asinyathela senzeni asinothiswanga thina kuthe emgwaqeni ngedate so ngenyanga esosukane abazange basitshela thina sizenkoti basisukela la thina sizenkoti silindi ikhoti iphuma thina sizohamba asizanga sayele
bahlali base South Africa lama kwere la basidelela baloku basithuka banse baruruga. You cannot be us. Liangkhali na le odo ya lona le ditlhogo tsa lona a di tshwane le tsa rona wena le ka bua seZulu or la dula ko ka you never be us and la le ka moruga Zandile le re ke le kwere Zandile hana odo go bontsha re ke ngwana Mosowethu o jile papa ya Mosowethu lona boyelang ko magaeng a bolona le lo tlhapa le tlise mo country ya rona go tsamaya le kaka bona city now it's getting clean. You pee, you do we wherever you do number 2 mo strateng. So rona ma South African bona ba tsamaya makwang will remain being likwang whether Julius wa bua abui and are Zandile ke garbage wena re tlo tshwantse re o yo lona ditlhare wena.
We are not going to stop. We will fight to the end. We are South Africans. Finish and done.
Phambili nge-street trading phambili. Sifundisa abantwana bethu ngale mali sifundisa abantwana bethu. Sithenga izindlu ngale mali sithenga izindlu. Sithenga imoto ngale mali sithenga imoto. Asimelanga 350 government asimelanga. Phambili ngokuthengisa amatamati estratini phambili. Phambili ngokuthengisa amabhanana phambili. Phambili ngokuthengisa amazambane phambili. Phambili ngokuthengisa impahla second hand phambili. Phambili ngamatrader phambili.
We want to feel safe. We want the investment to come. As we see the streets clean, we know that more people will come to our businesses. But when the streets are dirty and it's not safe, we can't walk around with our phones. We think there's a difference since the mayor has started. We can walk a distance with our phones, which was not the case just here on Grey Street and behind here. That is the problem because you can't even walk. Mozambicans who are illegal do your picket pocketing, and on this street, which is Kerk, there are guys who've been working there since 15 years who are South Africans, but they're not being recognized. They pay some sort of a levy every day to these people. It's not fair.
We are not criminals.
Yes.
We are legally trading.
Yes.
We are paying rentals for our store.
Yes.
Despite that the city is claiming not to know us.
Yes.
We are trading there legally so.
Yes.
And whoever that is in a demarcated space is holding either an ID or an asylum or a passport.
Yes.
We know that some of our foreign brothers are citizens now. Yes. So our constitution allows us to trade in those areas. Yes. Viva informal sector, viva! Viva! Viva EFF, viva! Viva! Viva Workers and Socialist Party, viva! Viva! Pansi ANC pansi! Pansi! Phambili ngomkhwanasi phambili!
We are all from Malawi, so we are affected too much. We are here to fight for our own freedoms. This country is part of Africa, so we are free here. We can do the business around the streets as long as we are Africans together. We are so strong. That's why we are here. You can hear the noise around the back, our back. So that noise is for us. We are fighting so that all of us, we must make it. This is Africa. Africa is for Africa. You can find the Africa in Morocco. You can find the Africa in Malawi.
But we are
all Africans.
They must start, they must They must go and unite themselves first. When we were fighting for this country, when we were fighting for the democracy of this country, they were not here. Despite the fact that they supported us while we were that side, but we are camps that side. Our people had laws, had adhered to the laws. So now, South Africa. So we are saying today, coming here, we really appreciate and applaud the mayor of the city for enforcing those laws. And we will stand by him. We will defend him. Even if we had alleged to say we are foreign national that are threatening even our councillors for enforcing the laws. We are also saying as South African, we will defend those people who are enforcing the laws of our country. We are a law-abiding citizen, law-abiding citizen in this country. We are not lawlessness. We know what it talks about when we talk about the law. So those people, they must go and become root lawlessness in their own countries and see what they're gonna get. They mustn't take advantage of Ubuntu in South Africa.
We live, of course, our countries. Because here we can make it. That is why we are here. We are not fighting with anyone. We are not fighting. We are just trying to survive here. Thank you so much. Together strong. One Africa. Together of the world.
Brother man, we got the Chad here. We got many things here around. As of now, even our Chad never got to school because of our problems, the way things it has. Please, God, it make poor things the way it is. Don't take like apartheid things. You must take in the freedom ways. You get it? Because all Africans, we are survive on the street to get something. As long as if the government is making a license from everyone who's selling in the street around to get something bad about him, you get it? Not that to chase them without even reason. You get it?
Okay, we are here today in solidarity with the city. The city is going to win a court case between Iseri and the city, where the city is implementing our bylaws within the city of Johannesburg, and then Iseri is taking the city to court. So we're definitely going to support the city to ensure that this policy that the city is trying to implement, it was passed during the time when our MMC, Unkuli Mbundu, was in office. So we are here to ensure that policy must come to life. We can't be, the city cannot be held hostage by people who are here illegally and people who just want to do as they please. We can't have lawlessness in the city. So the city, we're saying, must ensure that those people don't go back there. They must go back where they are allocated to trade, not just anywhere. And people must have permits to trade. And Tina, we are saying, trade should be given to a South African. This is not a scarce skill. this is not something that we should be stressing ourselves with. That space should be given to our South Africans to trade. There's no two way about it. So this is a start. We're going to mobilize our South Africans to ensure that this comes to life. If they go back, we're going to come back with our South Africans to make sure that they don't come back into those trading space.
La ukuthi sisonke la siyalithanda idolobha lethu, sifuna idolobha lethu liclean, futhi ke sifuna ukusupporta nama small business, siwasupporte kahle, sibayenzela ama program ukuthi bathuthuke nawo, kodwa ngeke sivume ukuthi sidelelwe endaweni yethu. Sicela abantu nabo basihloniphe njengohulumeni, babuye basihloniphe njengabahlali base South Africa. So silapho ke ngendaba. So Monday siyabuya. Sizawuqeda kahle udaba on Monday la enkantolo. Savumelana futhi ukuthi ngoba siyohlangana Monday akunamuntu ozabuyela edolobheni until siqeda naye uMathi. But ngantshela for free ukuthi thina singama South African city siyaliklini idolobha lethu, ayikho inkantolo ezosibuyisela emuva. Siyamhlonipha ujaji, siyawahlonipha amajaji ase-South Africa wonke, kodwa kule yokuthi siyeke idolobho lethu limosheke angeke sivume. Asambeni ke siyene emakhaya. Sunday sivuke siye esontweni, sothanda ukuthi umuntu makafika esitulweni avumelane naye. Hambani kahle, hambani kurula.